Baby changing station, diaper changing mat, travel by H** Sheng TPK is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. It's very easy to use, and easy to clean. The diaper changing clutch is perfect for short car rides, airplane travel and everyday use. Premium quality, odor-free, lightweight. Folds easily and is compact to carry around or leave in the car or stroller. A large and well-cushioned, soft changing mat for your baby's soft skin. Removable, allowing the body to become an independent diaper carry-all. You can take pride in your new baby changing pad, and feel completely at ease with offering it as a gift. Any new mom would be thrilled to receive such a thoughtful and considerate gift for her baby shower. Drop it in any bag, strap it to your wrist or clip it to your stroller, and you're good to go anywhere. Unique design. It is a good-sized diaper changing mat with a nice idea of holding babies busy with toys so they let you change the diaper peacefully. Premium quality. Made of BPA-free non-toxic materials, very comfortable and skin-friendly for kids and adults. Protect your baby from the nasty germs in public facilities. Comfortable for you and your baby. Diaper changing pad is practical and versatile. It allows you to change your child's diapers at any time, and anywhere without any embarrassment. Easy to use. It is portable, lightweight and foldable. It can be quickly and easily prepared for use. You can carry it on your hand, on your wrist, or you can hang it on handle of a baby stroller. In the built-in 4 pockets you can store up to 4 diapers, wipes, creams, and personal items separately. The pocket part can be separated, and a self-contained carrying bag is available. Easy clean. Made of waterproof material. The diaper changing mat is wipeable and washable.